Hi, I'm Dr. Gilberto Galvez, Head Specialist at Smile Makeover Playa del Carmen. Smile Makeover is a clinic specialized in smile design and full mouth restoration. We are a team of dental specialists working together in one place to give you the results you're looking for. I have a master's degree on Endodontist. This means I'm a root canal specialist. In other words, we save teeth. We try to keep the natural dentition in your mouth for as long as possible without pain or infections. I've had the opportunity of saving thousands of teeth during my 10 years private practice experience. Root canal treatments are one of the most complex treatments in dentistry. They're often conceived with pain, anxiety, infections, several appointments, but I believe they don't have to be this way nowadays. Today we have the knowledge and technology to change this conception of root canal treatments. I'm going to start with a microscope. A dental microscope like this one, it's a tool that will help us magnify or have a much better, bigger and brighter vision of what we're doing. Teeth are something really small, and as endodontist or root canal specialist, we're working inside the tooth. This means we're working on a tiny space. So we need an enhanced vision, magnification, to be able to deliver the expected results, the standard of care results. Another important tool is a 3D scan or CBCT. You probably know about X-rays. X-rays is an image of 2 dimensions. But we miss a lot of things that are going inside the tooth in the reality that what we can see on an X-ray. A 3D scan will give us a 3-dimensional vision of the tooth, so we have much more information, much more knowledge of what can be going on. This helps for the diagnosis and for the treatment planning. So today with the 3D scanning, with the microscopes, we're saving many more teeth in a faster way, painless and easier for our patients.